Hello guys, today we're gonna play Garden of Paper. Game, let's go! Let's go.
Number 5.
Sarap tayo ka.
Maglari pa ang laki. Number 5.
Oh, lucky card. Cool. We need to press that.
Matayo naman kay katamo.
Number 1.
Yes! What is this?
Maliwanag ko. Oh, maliwanag ko. Hindi mo ipupin.
This remote requires 2 batteries. Okay.
Ayun lang yan.
Bakit kaya? Oo, ipo mo.
I'm starting at this place.
Tanggal ng mayero. Ano? Pati ng gate namin ng gate. Matanggal.
This
Oh,
green.
padungot. Eh,
Boom, I saw it early. Hello. I'm getting cut. I'm getting cut. I'm getting cut.
Ha?
ikaw na dyan.
Ako na. Bababa naman natin sila ay
Saan natin sila ibababa?
sa Jollibee.
Ay, hindi. Mauna na tayo sa ano.
Ah,
Kaya i-judge si Kayla. Para ikaw na lang ang babang pa mag-isa.
ganon?
Hindi nyo pa bala alam yung
Huli.
video niya.
Alam ko na.
Akala ko hindi pa. Hindi. Wala ka nila isa.
There. Look. There. Time to. Oh my God, is that a bird?
Hindi pa rin tayo.
Parehas lang.
What the?
Ah, Drake.
Kasi the bird. Okay, let's open the lot. It's this what it
Messi, mama masyado nakababa yung
It is.
Drake, chinelas mo Drake.
Oh, the bird again. It's clearly watching us.
ayos mo yung phone. Masyado nakataas.
Diversion lang din.
Pillow bird. Oh, this pillow bird. Pillow bird is unbelievable. Feed it 6 eggs to clean. Oh my goodness. There's an egg. There's an egg. I feel it. There's an egg. There is. It's another one.
Ang kilala nila namatay dyan.
Ano? Huh?
Mamaya, ilalo pa pala.
What's tonight?
Pamitan nyo.
Oh. What did that do?
Kain ni Poli, sasawa na. Orias lang. Alwat na pwede di matuwada rin. May nakapatad, paminakan.
Oh, their egg.
Patok ng kaya, yan balay matuwa. Yan balay matuwa din.
Drake, Drake, tama.